Shout out to my boy Scotty, this man is an absolute legend, and I have personally cooked this at least 5 times since I've watched his video. Now get you some chicken breast. I used 2 packs or a little over 3 pounds, and in the bottom right corner I have provided all of the seasonings that I used for this recipe. Now please season your chicken with love because there are 3 whole pounds of it, and feel free to switch up your flavors a little bit if you think you have a better idea. Now make sure you spread the love so everybody feels included, and the next step will be to just spread the chicken out as evenly as possible. Make sure that none of them are stacked on top of each other and get a nice even layer, that way they cook properly.
Okay.
And now I'm going to hit it with some minced garlic. Next up will be 2 cans of cream of chicken soup. Then you'll want to fill up one of those cans with milk and dump that right back in. Now toss in 1 bag of frozen mixed vegetables. Now in Scotty's recipe, he used 1 cup of this chicken broth. In this video, I probably used less. It just depends how soupy you want it. I've done both ways and it turned out great either way. So go ahead and mix all of those ingredients up. And believe it or not, we are almost done actually. Toss it in your slow cooker for 3 hours and then it'll be ready to chop just like this.
I got 100 on my dash, got 200 in my trunk. Name in the grab bags, put my Bible in the trunk. Taco vodka on the top of my binocular trunk. How can I make them popular? Pop 'em when I want.
Now we're ready for the last few steps, which includes a few globs of sour cream, a little bit of heavy whipping cream, and then just tossing it back in for a final 10-15 minutes to, really combine all that flavors and heat them all up again. I just want to thank y'all so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video, and I will catch y'all in the next one.